Dear children, today I will explain question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 1.2. In the previous video, I had explained the question number 1, 2 and question number 3. Hope that you guys understand it very well. So, here question number 4. Kriti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of the June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? In this question, in this problem, there are two questions asked. First question is, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? See, what is given? What is the total sales in 2 weeks together? Children, what have I told you? If the question is asked about total, then what is done? Then addition is done. So, we will add these two numbers to find the total number of sales. 2,85,000. Number books sold in the first week of month worth rupees 2,85,891. 2,85,891. Now books sold in the second week of month worth rupees 4,768. Total books sold worth rupees 819, 9 and 6, 15 carry 1, 819 and 7, 16 carry 1, 516, 8, 6. It is your answer. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks? Total sale worth rupees 6,86,659 rupees. Clear? Now we move to the next question. In which week was the sale greater? It is seen very clearly that this number is greater than this number. It means this is the number of second week and this is the number of first week. So in which week was the sale greater? Very clearly we see that the sale was greater in the second week. Okay? And by how much? How much greater? What have I told you, children? if question asks about which one is greater and by how much, to find the greater or less, then we must subtract the numbers. So what will we do? Subtract these two numbers. And one more thing, the smaller number is always subtracted from greater number. It means the greater number is written in the first line and the smaller number is written in the second line. Okay? Sales in second week 4,768,000. Sales in the first week 2,85,891. Now we will subtract these numbers. 7, 8, 4, 1, 1. And the answer is, in the second week, 1,14,877 rupees more sales. Okay, it is your question number 4. Now we move to the question number 5. Here question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and least 5-digit number that can be written using the digit 62743 each only once. Least means smaller or smallest. Least, smallest, sorry. Not smaller, smallest. Here we are given some digits. You see, 62743. Using these digits, we have to make two numbers. The first number is the greatest and the second number is the smallest. After this, we have to make the difference between these two numbers. And children, what have we learned? We learned that the smaller number is always subtracted from the greater number. So, let's make the greatest number first. Greatest number. What will come first? The greater digit 7, 6. One more thing to keep in mind is that whenever we create a number, do not use comma. Okay? Do not use these commas. Greatest number 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. And then the smallest number, reverse it. The smallest digit come first. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now differentiate it. The difference is 12 minus 7, 5, carry 1, 2, 12 minus 6, 6, 13 minus 4, 9, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 2, 5. It is your answer. answer is the difference age. Okay, hope you will understand it very clearly. Thank you. Take care.